Welcome to Bike Legend, the home for motorcycle lovers, racers, and enthusiasts who live for speed, innovation, and the thrill of dirt racing. In today's feature, we take a deep dive into the 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 450, a motocross machine that continues Suzuki's legacy of precision handling, track-focused engineering, and race-winning potential. Known for its razor-sharp cornering and dependable performance, the RM-Z 450 returns in 2026 with thoughtful upgrades designed to elevate rider confidence and competitiveness. Overview of the 2026 RM-Z 450. The 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 450 carries forward its identity as a well-balanced, rider-focused dirt bike built for the demands of modern motocross. Suzuki has prioritized refinement over reinvention, enhancing the bike's responsiveness, stability, and power delivery. This model year focuses on improving elements that matter most on the track: starting control, mid-corner traction, suspension feel, and rider adaptability. Suzuki maintains the RM-Z philosophy, a machine that is predictable, agile, and engineered for riders who value control over raw aggressiveness. Design and build. The RM-Z 450 keeps its iconic championship-inspired yellow and blue identity, but introduces sharper graphics and a refreshed design for 2026. The slim radiator shrouds, compact fuel tank profile, and flatter seat design give riders more freedom to shift their weight instantly while attacking corners or navigating jumps. The ergonomic triangle between handlebar, seat, and foot pegs remains optimized for rider comfort and aggressive racing posture. Suzuki's continued use of an aluminum twin-spar frame ensures a solid balance between rigidity and flexibility. It is built to absorb impact without compromising handling precision. The bike's central mass layout improves weight distribution for quicker turn-ins and better stability on rough surfaces. Every inch of the RM-Z 450 structure emphasizes durability without excessive weight, ensuring resilience in competitive race environments. 0-20 = 68.55. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 RM-Z 450 lies a refined 449 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, DOHC single-cylinder engine, engineered for strong throttle response and consistent power throughout the rev band. Riders will notice improved fuel mapping, smoother combustion efficiency, and a more responsive low-end punch when exiting tight corners. The mid-range remains powerful, delivering the kind of torque motocross riders depend on for jumps and rapid bursts of acceleration. Suzuki engineers have optimized the intake system and exhaust flow to enhance performance without compromising reliability. Weight-to-power balance is a recurring strength of the RM-Z lineup, and the 2026 version keeps this advantage intact for controlled yet thrilling power management. The clutch feel is more precise, enabling smoother gear shifts and reduced fatigue during non-stop track action. It's built to respond instantly to rider input, whether on technical tracks or open-flow circuits. Handling and suspension. Handling is where the RM-Z 450 continues to shine, and the 2026 model refines that reputation further. The updated Showa suspension system brings enhanced damping and more accurate response to terrain changes. Riders will benefit from better balance during whoops, landings, and corner transitions. The front fork and rear shock are tuned for a wider range of rider skill levels, making the bike friendlier to newcomers yet still razor-sharp for competitive racers. The RM-Z's legendary cornering capability remains a highlight. Thanks to Suzuki's cornering king geometry, the bike maintains stability even when aggressively leaning into tight bends or sweeping arcs. The chassis rigidity has been fine-tuned to reduce vibration and improve front-end traction. Combined with a lightweight frame and optimized handlebar position, riders get strong front-wheel feedback for confident corner entry and exit. Braking and control features. Braking performance receives notable attention for 2026. The upgraded front brake system delivers stronger bite and better modulation, allowing more precise stopping control during high-speed sections. The rear brake complements this by offering improved feel, preventing lockups while maintaining stability during sharp deceleration. Rider assist technologies also return with refinements. Suzuki Whole Shot Assist Control (SHAC) offers selectable launch modes that adjust ignition timing for better starts depending on surface traction. The traction management system provides subtle support without interfering with the raw motocross riding style. These assists are designed not to take over, but to enhance performance when riders need it most, especially in competitive race situations. Technology and rider customization. While Suzuki still embraces a pure and mechanical motocross character, the RM-Z 450 now offers smarter tuning flexibility. Through the MX Tuner smartphone app, riders can customize engine mapping wirelessly to suit track surfaces, weather conditions, or personal riding style. This allows adjustments to throttle feel, fuel delivery, and power curve without requiring race shop tools. This level of tuning makes the RM-Z 450 adaptable for beginners learning throttle control as well as pros dialing the bike for qualifying laps. Suzuki's intention is clear: empower the rider to transform the bike's personality depending on the day, track, or racing goals. Who should consider the 2026 RM-Z 450? The 2026 RM-Z 450 is ideal for riders who value handling finesse, predictable power, and a stable, confidence-boosting riding experience. It caters to local motocross racers, training riders, experienced weekend warriors, and competitive racers aiming to sharpen their skills. If cornering control, chassis feel, and tuning flexibility matter more than extreme horsepower, this bike is a perfect match. Conclusion: the 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 450 continues its legacy as a precision-focused motocross machine built for riders who demand balance, control, and race-ready performance. With refined suspension, smarter tuning options, and enhanced braking, Suzuki has reinforced the strengths that made the RM-Z a favorite among racers. It's a bike that rewards skill, encourages progression, and inspires confidence on every lap. Stay connected with Bike Legend for more in-depth reviews, motorcycle breakdowns, and upcoming model features.